Okay, here we're doing an unboxing of screen replacement for my mobile phone. It's a OnePlus brand, OnePlus 6000. I bought two off of AliExpress. There was an option to do it with a frame and without the frame. So I bought two of these devices that I've broken the screen on. So I bought one without the frame just to see the difference. This is a screen. I'm assuming this is the one with the frame. And it comes with a small set of tools as well. I'm missing the thing to seal it back with, the glue or whatever, so I'll need to buy that separately, but I wasn't expecting the tools anyway. And then this is the other one, same set of tools, wipes with this one. Let's see the difference between the two. Okay, so that's the screen. Now, what is the difference? They both feel the same. They look the same. This one's got a thing to put the SIM cards in the drawer. But aside from that, I don't really see any other difference. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Okay, so one of them I paid a little bit extra because I thought it was with the framing, but they both look exactly the same. Okay, and now I'm going to try and stick one on.